Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Official. Today we are diving into one of the most useful functions in Excel, the if function. This powerful tool helps you make decisions in your spreadsheet based on specific conditions. Let's get started. Alright, first thing first, what is the if function? In simple terms, the if function says if a condition is true or false. Based on that, it gives one value if the condition is true and another value if it is false. Let's look at how the if function is written in Excel. The basic syntax is if logical test, value if true, value if false. Here is quick breakdown. Logical test of condition, what we want to check, value if true, what to show if the condition is true, value if false, what to show if the condition is false. Now let's understand with example. Here I have sample data. I have prepared this to show you the if function or to make you understand the if function. The condition is here. Say you have a list of students and their scores in exam. We determine whether each student has passed or failed, and the passing score is 50. Based on this data, we have to show here the pass or fail because we have just only one condition, so it's very easy. Now I am typing the if function. As you know, all the Excel functions start in Excel with equal sign, so I am typing here equal sign, then if and first bracket. Now I will check this value and I am referencing it just by clicking. Now our condition is greater than or equal to 50. So I am writing here greater than or equal to 50. Then comma. Here you can easily see that our parameter is showing here. If function has 3 parameters and these are showing here. Now I have to write down what I want to show if the value is true. So I am writing within a quotation pass as per our condition and value if false within a quotation I am writing fail, bracket close, and I am pressing enter. It is showing fail. Now if we check with our condition, this value is less than 50, so this is showing fail. If I copy this formula, this cell, it is showing pass because this value is greater than 50. So in this way, if I copy this formula in all these cells, then we can see here the value, this value is greater than 50, that's why it is showing pass. This value is less than 50, it is showing fail, and these two values is also greater than 50, that's why it is showing pass. So this is the basic and very basic based on one condition. Now let's move into nested if function. Sometimes we need to check multiple conditions. You can use a nested if function for these. For example, grading students based on their scores. Say we have to determine A, B, C and F grade. And our condition is if the score is 90 or above, then grade will be A. If the score is 80 or above, less than 90 but equal to 80 or above, grade will be B. And if the score less than 80 but equal to 70 or above, then grade will be C, otherwise grade will be F. So I am writing here the if function equal sign if first bracket, click here to reference the cell. Our condition is greater than or equal to 90. I am typing here greater than sign and equal sign, then typing 90, comma, I have to write here if our condition is true, what I want to show. I want to show A, then type again if first bracket, reference again this cell, greater than sign, equal sign, then type 80 as per our second condition, then type B, again type if function, reference this cell, greater than sign, equal sign 70 and C, otherwise F. As I have written here T if functions, I have to close all the if functions here. So I am typing here T closing bracket and pressing enter. This is showing B grade because this value is less than 90 but greater than 80. and if I copy this formula in this cell, it is showing C grade because it is less than 80 but greater than 70. In this way, if I copy in all these cells this formula, it will show our expected results, expected grade based on the value of this cell. It will check this value first. If this condition true, then it will return first value. And we have written here the another if function in the false statement of this if function. In this way, we have nested the if function. So when this condition doesn't meet, then it will move in this condition, it will check it. If this condition is true, then it will return this value, and if this condition is also false, then I have written here in this false statement, in this if function's false statement, this if function. So in this way, we'll move from left to right. So that's the basic of the if function in Excel. It's a fantastic tool that make you smarter in your work. Try to apply it in your practical life and see how it simplifies your task. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in next time.
I will discuss about different functions of Excel in this channel from basic to advanced. So stay with us to learn different functions of Excel and make your office work easy and comfortable.